Hi, everybody. First off, I want to start by thanking you for your great responses to this stained coffee cup and 1 million words later. I think you guys are doing an amazing job of really picking out what makes those particular narratives resonate with you. From the particular details to the messages to the conflicts, I can really see a deep understanding coming through your initial responses. I do want to remind you not to forget to go back and respond to the people within your group so you can get full points when I grade those in a couple days. Um, so I've also opened up a couple new pages on Canvas. I've opened up B13 and B16. So B13 and B16, essentially we're going to use a program called Hypothesis in order to annotate in real time with our classmates. So we're going to take notes on two professional samples, Shame by Dick Gregory and The Joy of Reading and Writing, Superman and Me by Sherman Alexie. They're both literacy narratives written by professionals who take their own route through their own conflicts. So I want you to take that same critical eye that you've been applying to the student samples and apply those to the professional samples. So I just want to do a brief, what I want to say, I want to do a little brief discussion on how to use Hypothesis so that we can all follow along pretty well. So if I click on B14, here's Shame. And so here are some instructions, things that I'm asking for you to do. And so when you click on this, you'll open up and you'll get access to the article. Now I have already added a couple questions sprinkled out throughout this narrative, and you can answer those if you want. Ultimately, though, I want you to answer in ways, or respond rather, in ways that make you interested, or in ways, questions that you might have, or observations that strike you. Okay, so to use this, right, we can click this and we can close that and we can get full access to this. And so to use it yourself, highlight, say, one of the words that you want to highlight or a phrase or something like that, and you'll get a box with annotate or highlight. Choose annotate, and it will pop up a little box for you. And in here, you can add your comments. You could also add pictures, voice comments, videos, really anything you want to add here. And then once I'll just do a little blah, blah, blah. Of course, your annotations will be more interesting than that. We'll do blah, 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 and then I'll just hit post. And I'm not going to hit it right now because then it'll show up. But I'll hit this post, and you'll have access then to what your other classmates are writing or what your other classmates might be saying. So I'm just going to cancel this right now. You'll hit this button, but I'm going to cancel out here. Now, say you want to respond to one of my questions or you want to respond to something one of your other classmates has posted, simply hit the reply button, and that will let you respond to your particular classmate. Maybe you want to add on to their thought, maybe you want to disagree with it, maybe you want to clarify. Anything is fair game here, and I'm looking at all of it. So really, just continue your great critical work, and I will look forward to seeing what you have for me in the future. Okay? Thank you.